September 12, 2012. The 37th birthday of Mylene Victoria Empare. Jimmy Village, Jimmy Cavite. Yan na. Saan? Oh, sige. Tapusin ko nito. Saglit lang. Upload sana. Hindi po ma-upload to eh. Ano, sabi mo happy birthday mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Tingin dito.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy 37 ka na. May, sabi mo happy birthday mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Sabi mo, may you have more birthdays to come.
Oh, yeah.
Sabi mo lang, may you have more birthdays to come. Sana pala marami ka pang birthday na darating. May you have more birthdays to come. Go. May you have more birthdays
more birthdays
to come.
to come.
Oh, ikaw.
May you have birthdays to come.
No. May you have
May you have
more birthdays to come.
more birthdays to come.
I love you, ma'am.
Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you, ma'am. Happy birthday.
I love you, Mama. Happy birthday.
Ikaw, Nick. Dito, sabihin mo sarili mo. Do you have more birthdays to kante? Mahal na mahal ka namin. Oo, punta na. Uwi na. Oo. Sige namin nila. Sa 7, ano? Sa 7, maraming ano. Ang daming kahawig ni tatay. 7 na lang kayo ulit. Tsaka na lang kayo 7. Sabi mo, may you have more birthdays to come.
May you have birthdays to come.
May you have
May you have
more birthdays to come.
more birthdays.
Love you, mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hmm? Saglit lang. Ba't pa palitan? Ha? Ba yan? Nakambal. Saan ba? Saan ba nilagay? Kwenta ba yun? 20. Sakto may pamasahe. Wala eh. Dapat may ice cream ka sana. Wala eh. Alis na si Mickey. Alis na si Titina. Sa yung ate Mika niya wala na rin. Kumigay na rin sa cockfight. So babay na tayo. Okay. Ano yung, balik 7 na lang kahit yun. Motor na lang.
Kakain.
Paano po ba? Ano po mga sabi natin? Wala na, yun na yun. Simple na lang natin, no? Oh, happy birthday to you, kanta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
To you.